Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lexus, and this is Nom Nom to Fitness, where I make mainly healthy vegan recipes. And today I have a what I eat in a day / meal prep video, because I'm also going to be eating this for the rest of the week. So let's hop right into it. So here I'm sauteing some peppers and onions, and I'm adding some just egg. I'm going to let it cook down and just scramble it up, and it's going to look exactly like scrambled eggs. I'm adding some sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder. I have some gluten-free bread here and some vegan cheese. And now I'm adding the just egg and the cheese onto the bread along with some ketchup. And I'm going to cook it in the pan with a little bit of dairy-free butter until it's brown on both sides and the cheese is melted. And I'm just eating this with some oranges. For lunch, I made some tempeh stir fry, so I'm adding some veggie base into the water. I'm going to bring it to a boil, adding some chopped tempeh, and just let it boil for about 15 minutes. Let it soak up the flavor, then add it to a skillet with a little bit of oil, seasoned it with some black pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Once it started to brown, I added some General Toast sauce. You can use teriyaki sauce or any Asian sauce that you like. And I'm adding some stir-fried veggies into a pan. Just adding some soy sauce, some garlic powder. Let it cook down, and then I added the tempeh into the veggies, and that is it. This is really good with noodles or rice. So here I'm sauteing some yellow onions. Just gonna brown them. I'm adding some minced garlic. And I'm adding some jarred spaghetti sauce. Adding some sea salt, some black pepper. Let that cook down for about 30 minutes, and then I added this chickpea pasta. Adding a few dashes of hot sauce, add some flavor. And I like to top this with some vegan Parmesan cheese, and I'm eating it with a side of steamed veggies. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.